Hey everyone! I'm excited to show you how to add more details to a terrain in Unity. This is a great way to make your terrain look more realistic and interesting. To get started, we'll need to add some PSD assets to our project. These are Photoshop files that contain the textures for the grass and other details that we'll be adding to the terrain. Once we have the assets, we can use the Paint Details tool in the Terrain Inspector to add them. To open the Paint Details tool, select the terrain in the Scene view and then click on the Paint Details button in the inspector. This will open the Paint Details window. In the Paint Details window, we can select the grass texture that we want to use. We can also change the color variance of the grass texture. This allows us to create a variety of different grass colors. We can also adjust the brush size, brush type, brush opacity, and target strength. The brush size determines how large of an area each grass blade will be placed in. The brush type determines the shape of the grass blades. The brush opacity determines how transparent the grass blades will be. The target strength determines how much of the grass texture will be applied to the terrain. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.